Today, let's make Shaomai. Let's prepare the ingredients. Let's get started. Here, all the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box. Let's start by preparing the shrimp. First, we peel the shrimp. Then we devein it. Next, we need to peel the carrot. Let's cut it to small pieces. Now we take off the stem from the Shiitake mushroom. Then dice up to small pieces. Then we do the same with the shrimp. Now we combine all the ingredients for the filling. The exact amount is in the description box. Let's use the wonton wrapper. I want to turn it into a circle. So I start by cutting off the edges. We use the parchment paper in the bottom. Now we make the Shaomai. Put the filling in the middle and then spin wire slowly, tightening the Shaomai. Now we steam the Shaomai for 12 minutes. remove it, and it's done. Wow, looks good. Time for this taste. The filling, very tender and juicy. It's savory, and you can taste the sesame oil, shrimp, shiitake mushroom, pepper. It's very good, very tasty. You can eat this with the soy sauce. It's just perfect. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。